Thank you so much. I'm really happy and excited to be back again. I have to admit that since I left Goa as a player, I had the feeling that one day I would return as a coach. As a player, it was a great personal experience to end my career here, to live in Goa for 2 years, enjoy its people, their passion and their respect for football. And I only wish that as a coach, it would be even better. Yeah, well, that's true that I had some offers after the great season we are having at Albacete. The club wanted to me to coach the B team next year. In addition to that, other teams in Spain were interested also in contracting me. But as I told you before, when I left Goa, I had the feeling that one day I would return. And what better time than do it now that many people I work with are still working. And I think I come to FC Goa at the perfect time in my life and my career, and that has made the difference in making me decide on. Well, as a coach, I am as I was in my day-to-day life as a player. A very demanding person with myself, first of all, and with those around me, and with a lot of desire to always improve. I work to improve as a 35-year-old player, and now I'm going to work to improve as a 38-year-old manager. So this is my way of life. Our day-to-day will carry us to our objectives, to our goals. And as a team, we will be brave and ambitious. We will face games to go for them in our own style, and we will work to make our fans proud of us. Yeah, I have been coached by great coaches, as you said, Louis van Gaal, Frank Rijkaard, Ruby, Miroslav Jukic, and many others who are maybe less known, but have had a great influence on me. I have lived all my career always paying attention. I'm very interested in analyzing the coaches I have had, and I have learned something from all of them. And based on these teachings, based on my experience as a player also, and now as a coach, and of course my own personality, I have built my own way of coaching. Well, of course, it's going to be a big challenge. But I believe that you never have enough experience, because you can always learn and improve every day. So if I came to coach here in India at 60 years old, for example, or without knowing the league, or without knowing the country or the players, it would also be a big challenge. So what matters more? I firmly believe that I come fully prepared and with enough and necessary energy and passion to do a great job here. Well, for me, I think it's an important advantage because I have lived with them in the same locker room. We have shared a lot of things together. We have won trophies together. We have won and lost, of course, many games together. We have shared many things, and that's going to help me get the most out of them. It will be exciting to build new relationships because I know that we are not mates. We are teammates, but now I am the coach, they are the players. And yeah, I think these new relationships will help them reach their full potential. Well, I think that is a part of the experience that we have talked about before, in which I think I am winning at the moment. Of course, it's very important, I think, to know the context, to know the environment you are going to work. And I am lucky to share the values and the project that FC Goa is working on. And I really want to contribute to its improvement and growth. I really feel that I am where I want to be. Well, this season, everyone at the club has a great responsibility. It has been 2 years without the fans on the stands, and we must work to make them happy and bring smiles to their faces. It's time to enjoy football again because it has been 2 very tough years, 2 very tough seasons. And for that, we are building a team the fans will be proud of. This will be our biggest challenge. Make feel the fans happy and make feel them proud of us.